Hello everyone, as this video is for all you guys that is now preparing for that is coming for Akasa and also of Indigo. As you all might know that Indigo has now opened their walk-in interview dates, and these are the dates that is given by their official website. So please do not forget by any chance. And this video is something specially designed for Akasa and also of Indigo airline interview. How is the process and what things you must carry with you. Okay, so let's start. We should not waste the time. So point number 1 is documents. What documents do you need? Okay, so for Indigo you need to carry a passport size photo, not one but multiple would work. Multiple in the sense because you never know how many documents you need to fill and you need to give your picture, but for emergency you can carry only 2. And same goes with Akasa, you need to carry 2 pictures with you. And in Indigo there's one more thing, that you need to carry your full length photo. That should be the length of this mine face. Okay, the length should be this. You need to carry your professional photo. I would also show you how my professional look photo in the end of the video, and it is very important to you all guys to watch. And as I have got an opportunity, I also want you all guys to get an opportunity as I have, to get that feeling of how it feels when you receive a mail of you are selected message. So yes, continuing with it, the next thing that you need to carry with yourself is a confidence, and also with a good attire, because attire not only helps you to get selected but also helps you to get the confidence that is needed. Okay, so the next thing that you need to do is to take, so the next thing after documentation, after your makeup, grooming, your resume and passport size photo is mandatory. Your Aadhaar card, Xerox and also real document should be with your hand anywhere, wherever you stand. And also one tip that you make your bag, that documentation bag, in a so much formal way that without exceeding more than 2 seconds, whenever the HR asks for that document, it should be in just a flash of second that you are taking out from your that documentation bag. As these are something that I carry. This is something that I carry. I have many more. It comes with a handle also. So I have minimal bags that you can also carry with you. Formal bag is a must, as being a cabin crew or for attending for being a cabin crew is something you should be very alert, attentive and be very smart. Okay, so these are the few steps that is very mandatory for you all guys. Next thing that comes with, okay, so yes, I remembered. So you never know. And the next and main tip, I repeat, main tip for every aspirant. Okay, so that is to greet whoever, whatever is the person. It might be HR, it might be a person wearing identity card. Just greet. Your day must be filled with multiple greetings at the day of your interview or as the day of your main day. Okay, so do not skip this part, as this is something that has helped me and also it will help you. So lovelies, these are the things that I have mostly covered. And for the resume part, I would also suggest you now, you can make from this, or else if you ask me to make a new video about resume, what are the skills, what are the things that you should mention in the interviews resume, what are the points that you should mention, how it should look and how much gapping it should have, everything. If you all want me to make a video regarding a resume, I would be very pleased to make it, because this is something from heart that is coming. So the next more important thing that comes with being polite and also being very loud in the room. Okay, so while you're sitting in the hall and you are waiting for your turn, that the HR would call you your name, everything. So you must be alert. You should not speak in a rude way, like they are calling your name and you are just saying yes. What yes. You should be there in a way that you know her from ages. It should look like yes ma'am, like this. Be very friendly, be very frank there. No one is judging. Yes, everyone is judging, sorry. So you should be there very smart enough to speak. Do not waste their time. Every single second of yours do count wherever you are stepping in. And the more important thing for male and female, okay, so your trimming should be proper, hair trimming should be proper, and your nails trimming should be more formal and decent. See, I have good nails. I was having very long nails, but I have trimmed it off in a way so that I can wear lenses. Okay, so you can just increase the length of your nail till this, just a slight, not more than that, because you should also maintain the shape of it. See, every nail is in a way, is like in a flat way. Same goes with this hand. It should not look that this hand of yours is looking very beautiful, very decent, and this is looking like a poor hand. No, it should look very, very, very professional. And do not use funky colors. Okay, do not use it in a way that you have designed, you have made their peacock, you have made their panda. Do not make and do this type of nail art for a professional interview. It should look very, very, very unique. You cannot do in a way unique. Okay, so I mentioned it wrong, I'm so sorry. So you can make it very professional by applying 1 or 2 layers of your nail. Very decent. Use nude color, that would work. Do not use red. You can use the color, professional colors like brown, nude, dark pink, light pink. These all would work. And also blue, black won't work. Do not try to use more knowledge that you would wear the color of your nail paint to sticking with the uniforms color that they have. Do not do that. Do not. Okay, I would repeat that. Do not be more smart. Be smart, but do not be more smart. Okay, so you can use plus point for Indigo airline interview. Use blue eyeliner to draw attention. Okay, to draw attention. And for Akasa, use neated hairstyle. Okay, you can use any color of your lipstick, but I would recommend you to wear red. Okay, because they are mostly the HR looks something that you are very professional, you are not aggressive, because they might ask the same question repeating it in a way that makes you angry, but that angriness or that rudeness should not come out from your mouth, from your behavior. Okay, so be very alert there. As me being that professional sitting in that room, and I have made it up in the first attempt of a casa, so why not you all guys? This is a very informative video, because I have not seen these type of videos in just one clip. Okay, I have done full research of the YouTube, what we said as the YouTube channel, and yet I have wasted so much time. But for you all guys, this 20 minutes would make everything happy, ready for everything. So one more thing, do carry extra shirt while you change your city or you step out for your interview. Do carry one extra shirt. I won't say for trousers, because shirt is something that would highlight you wearing it. Okay, a pant is something that you can also use a bit of water and then can rub any scar that you have got there recently. So okay, use tissue paper. Do carry tissue paper, and also wet wipes for your face, that your extra whatever it is, you can remove it. Good polished heels with you. It should not exceed more than 2 inches, because 3 inches would be something that you would not be comfortable walking in. So 3 inches would also work at a point, but it should not exceed over it. You should not wear pencil. It should be that formal heels that you all guys know. If you do not know it, for a casa, alright, as I have been there, I've seen, and I am now selected. So yes, what to worry about, I'm here to help you. Next thing that you need to carry with yourself is, let's go ahead. For a casa, you need to carry documents like Aadhaar card, then your 10th, 12th passports, 10th, 12th results, and also passport size photographs. And along with it, you should carry your resume, hard copy of your resume, and also the mail letter that you have received in your mail. The next thing, for Indigo, you should carry your documents like 10th and 12th, that is mandatory, photograph of passport size photo, and one more thing, that is your what we say it as passport, not only passport size photograph but also postcard size photograph, and the length should be something according to your face. The postcard size photograph would look something like this. Okay, so the next thing is that you need to carry more things like pen with you, because somewhere you need to signature. After your BMI, you need to signature about your own details, your height, weight. These are the things that they will firstly measure and write it in a book, and you are the one that would give the permission that yes, it is true. Moving ahead to the next one is your grooming should be non-negligible. As in Indigo, we all know how strict they are, in the way that few what we say it as baby hairs that comes from hair, that comes from this portion of your hair, is also something that they should not see. Use aloe vera gel, use hair stick. So many things are there. I personally use hair stick roll on, so that is something that opens up like a lipstick, and you apply it, and then you take your comb and then you use it in a way that gives a polished look. So next thing is your shirt. What color should be your shirt? And as this is not a formal shirt, this is the first funky shirt that I'm right now wearing, and for that you need to be very much professional, because in Indigo or in a casa, they look for something that is strict regarding your grooming, your dressing sense, your choice, everything matter a lot. The next thing is the lipstick that you wear. In Indigo, do not wear nude lipstick. I am repeating it, do not wear nude lipstick, as the lipstick that I am currently wearing is very dark, and also sometimes it looks as maroon, and sometimes it looks like red. So please choose those colors over every funky colors like nude lipstick, nude pink, and whatnot that comes in the market. Choose that. Okay, sticking with the next thing, your eye makeup should be very proper. If you do not know eye makeup, skip it. Just apply brown eyeshadow in the corner of your eyes here, just corner of your eyes, and you are ready for the interview. Okay, so your foundation should be very polished. Remove your excessive, because in this heat sometimes oily skin like me do mess up, make it cakey because of your sweat. So do not overwear stuff, be very real. Take tissue papers with you. Okay, so in Indigo airline interview or in a casa airline interview, you should carry, every time you should carry not one but multiple tissue papers. Okay, that would be your life-saving hack, that I have also been through that, and I know how small is the venues, what we say it as washroom. So many people around you, you would not get much time to do touch up, only slide few seconds, few minutes, and you should be very ready to go type of person. So okay, do not make it cakey, or do not depend upon that you would wear your makeup there. Do not. Many people said me that as you have a oily skin, do wear it in the what we say it as washroom, but I repeat, do not do my mistake. Yes, few of them that comes from a very far place, I would recommend you, because I have also been there, I would recommend you to book a room a night before. Okay, so it might be PG, small PG, or it might be a hotel room with your parents, with one of your parents, and you would be very ready for that interview with all your makeup. You can also bathe there, so things would be sorted. Next thing is that point number 3, after your grooming. Okay, so your resume must not look, in Hindi we call it as khichdi. It must not look as a khichdi. Okay, your resume should be pinpoint, because they would not get much of time to read that in a flow, like after this. No. Your resume must catch the attention of the viewer, the person who is viewing it. It would be the senior HR, it might be a junior HR, you never know. So do not miss that opportunity. First impression is something that comes with that single sheet of paper, your resume. Okay, so next thing is that goes hand in hand is your skills. It should not something that should exceed over 6.6 relevant skill that is needed for the role of cabin crew. It should look pretty decent, and also should something look and that should be from your heart. You should carry the things that you have written in that paper. As everyone says that single sheet of paper does not decide your future. Yes, everyone says, right? But it is same with the resume. Okay, so I know the marks does not matter, but your resume does, because you are the master of the resume that you are building for your career. So do not miss this. Okay, and if you ask me to make a resume, make a video regarding resume, how it should look for male and female both, I would like to make it. Okay, so only when it is a request from you all, not from one or two, because making videos without fan in a room is something a tax. And yes, darling, to everyone here sticking with this video, as I've seen so much love in the last video, and I am here with a good smile and a good mental health that is needed. Okay, these are all for you. These videos, I'm not getting paid to say it, yet this is something that I want you all to know, because I was also the one, as one of you guys that is viewing my content with that vision of doing something in life. And yes, I'm only 19 years old. I have made plans like I would get selected in one go at the age of 18, but I was not able to do that. But yes, right now I'm in a position that is something very confident to the person who was a year ago. So yes, I've come a long way, and these are the videos that I will make later on. So next part of this video is something very important, very much important. Firstly, let's cover up what are the things that we did and what is left. So with you all guys, whenever you leave for an Indigo or any airlines interview, it might be ground staff, it might be cabin crew, first and foremost thing is your documentation is the main thing. Okay, so the next thing is the documentation. The next thing that goes with your makeup, your grooming, and the formal shirt or trousers or skirt, whatsoever you're wearing, it should be very decent. And for Indigo interview, I would recommend you to wear skirt. It should be till your knee length, or it should be above or 2 inches above your knee length. Okay, so you can get it from online market, or you can also get it from offline market. You can also stitch. I have stitched mine, but yet you have few things available everywhere in Flipkart and Amazon. Just do a research, see the feedback, and then buy it. Do not wait for anything. Next thing that goes with scar. Everywhere, first you should use primer, then use fixer, and then use the color corrector. Okay, with that use foundation of your skin tone, and I would say a bit of it in a cream way, not much funky, and then just dab it with a beauty blender or the brush or the makeup brush that you have. Okay, then just give a clean look. Use talcum powder or the loose powder, it might be any powder, just use it, and also baby powder or Pond's or anything that you have with you, use that powder just to that your makeup last. Okay, then use a fixer, and yes, you are ready. Yes, I have a scar in my hand, and I thought that would be an issue, but it did not upset me, because I did use my brain into getting selected. So yes, it helped me a lot, as not worry about it. Okay, in just a flash. And one most important thing is to not skip this video. Okay, do share your friends that is now getting ready for Indigo's or Akasa's interview, as this will something help a lot. As what is the next content that you all want me, please comment down below. And thank you lovelies for your time, and a warm good afternoon and Independence Day, as I'm recording on Independence Day, and I'm hoping to reach this content to the one that is very in need of it. With all love from my side, waving off. Jai Hind, I'm Shreya, and would meet you in the next video. With all love and support, please shower the same love in this video. Till then, thank you.